Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, we have the Beats Studio Wireless 3 in front of me. Yes, these came out in 2017, but they were on sale for Black Friday at Best Buy for $169.99, and I had to pick them up. So as you see, I'm just walking you around the box so you can see what the box looks like. And now I am pulling off the first sleeve of the Beats Studio box. As you know, Beats always have nice unboxing and nice boxes. When you pick up their product, you know you're always picking up something premium when you go pick up a Beats by Drey product. As you can see, it says change the way you hear sound. So that's nice to know. Change the way you hear sound. That's what it says. So now I'm going to grab the pull tab and pull it back to dive into the box. So as you can see, you are greeted with the nice hard Beats cover case. I always like the Beats cover case, especially with the Studio brand. As you can see on that zipper, there's a B. On the front, there's a B. Everything looks good, nice. I'm going to put that aside for now. Now we're going to pull the next tab to get into the next part of the box. And as you can see, you are greeted with some more information. So now we're going to pull up your cable. This is so you can make calls on your device if you want to do that. Even though these are also wirelessly, they do come with cables. So you can use cable to listen to your music, or you can use them wirelessly, just connecting your device to Bluetooth, which that's how I'll be using these headphones more. But I'm just trying to get a quick look around the cable, so I'm going to put that aside for now. Now we're going to pick up the information. This is the information book. You know, I'll put that aside. Then you get your Beats clip. This is just a little clip. You can clip this onto your bag, you know, rock it however you want to rock it, but I really won't be using that clip. I'll mainly be using these headphones in the house, editing, and so on and so on. And now we get another cable, and this cable is a USB to USB. There's no USB-C on this cable, which is a bummer, but you do get a cable. That is so you can charge up your headphones when you want to charge them up. It's an old-fashioned cable, but hey, I guess it is what it is. You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, is what I was taught. But anyways, you get the cable. I'm going to wrap that back up, and we're going to get to the main product. So let me tuck that away. So now we're going to get to the Beats Studio case. First, we have to do the instructions. They're so boring, but we still have to look into the instructions. As you can see, I'm pulling out the packages right now. You get quite a bit of papers in this little box. You get your instruction manual, but who needs it? I'm not going to read it. I know how these things work. I had many in my day. Beat sticker, you gotta love that. So I'm going to put that right there for now. You get another boring paper. I'm going to toss that to the side. And you also get your Apple Music if you want to get three free Apple Music for a month. You can do that, so that's nice. I might look into that. I don't know, we'll see. And you also get another paper just showing you how to use your Beats Studio Wireless 3. And finally, you get your information. So yes, these work on Android and iOS, but with Apple, they're already paired and able to be paired with Apple. Android, you have to download the app. So now this is the case that your Beats Studio Wireless 3s are in. They're tucked away nice, handy, and dandy. You don't have to worry about them getting dirty. So as you can see, I just opened up the casing and they're tucked away. I'm going to put them down for a side. And I will say this, the case is hard and very sturdy, so that's good. That's why I gave it a thumbs up. That's good. So if you want to carry your Beats Studio Pro around with you, you can do that. But like I said, I'll be using this mainly at home, but that's still a nice touch. So now we're going to pick up the Beats Studio 3, and as you can see on the ear cups, there's B's I'm just letting you take a look around the headphones. I always think Beats have nice looking design headphones. As you know, Apple mainly takes over Beats now. I don't know how well my camera's picking that up, but that says Studio on that. That says Studio 3, I believe. Studio 3 on this side. I'm having a little bit of trouble showing you that, but it says Studio 3, and on the band it says Beats, and on this side it says wireless, to let you know they are Beats Studio Wireless. They feel and look nice in the hand. I mean, they're Beats. What do you expect? So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.